that elder brother, now they dash me money well.
Now this place now clear. This couple now clear for me. You see this place, oh? Now clear. No, look me, this side. Now clear this place. When I make sure say, man, it be like this. Where we all do so, where the sun is show. Those bag of cement, that wood where they there, all those small wood, now cut, come out. Then this place, now clear for me where made the level where they see ground. I don't want to see any grass, any green grass. Now you clear this place. Now you clear this place so that I go fast for this job.
No. Now anywhere I dey go there, we dey work together.
I don't feel it, my brother. We dey work together.
Okay. No wahala. So far now do the job for me. Now don't clear finish. You saw this one, so now don't clear finish. Now don't join this one. This is dirty for you, so now make sure it's not burn now. You understand?
Yeah. Okay, brother.
Okay, take.
Brother, you give us plenty money. Oh.
Shut up your mouth. I don't give you money before. Money there, money not be problem.
Don't mind the brother. He need to keep us some money.
Stingy brother.
Yeah, stingy brother.
Keep us money before.
Now
I make I no get plenty money. That him brother, he get money pass on. If that one send you message, you know they collect change. You
know they collect change? He never send me one, so.
If he send you, you know collect change. You see that money one they tell you so. When they with my mommy, in my hand I forgot that 75 naira. If you send me message, if you remain 15 naira, I go say carry. You know they.
No.
Hey, we go keep our slippers so may no go lost. No keep on. Who do like this? Because if he lost now, your mommy go beat you.
Now so my mommy do me. That time why I take that my slippers where I lost. My mommy flog me well.
No. Hang on for it like this. Anywhere we go, they carry and go. No lost.
You go the clear the grass. I go the park.
Okay.
So that I will go quick.
We go quick. Before we know, we don't finish. Brother, we don't finish. They wait for you since you know quick come.
I go give person something before.
But give us our money now.
Our mommy now go come no say we go out. Come off fast.
I go share this one.
Hey, thank you, brother. I get 2 new money.
My own new pass your own.
I get 2 new money. 2 new money.
We share with 2. Not be say more share this one.
Hey, we go share now, but na new money. Hey, bring a man now.
No, na me go hola.
You not my house 9 years pass. We
We no see change now.
Hey, we'll change am for road if we dey go. My hola now. May you no go out and enjoy your money. And see more keep this one when be our own already. You know wear your slippers. You want me your mommy know say you dirty. See, if we no see changing, the class not be that brother give us.
I'll keep her for there. See.
If we reach house, before we reach house, if we no see anywhere change the money, we'll buy something for inside. So that if we buy something now, they'll give us change. We'll share the change. Equal.
No. I don't want to chop my money. I don't want to use my money to buy anything.
Hey. If we not change, I will take get change. See that mama vero fish, head of fish. Don't see how they send just now. Oh, pass there. So we'll buy head of fish.
The sweet well. You know if it deceive me. You want to deceive me, make I use my money go buy head of fish. No buy.
That the one buy the fish and I no cut for you.
I beg you.
You no chop am.
I beg you for inside. I tell you, may you give me.
But when I cut for you, you no like am. See today now, nobody will know. Your mommy knows smell your mouth. Before you reach out, you put water for mouth down. You throw am. They don't know say you chop head of fish. We'll buy one head of fish. We'll buy one. We'll buy one for 5 naira. They'll give us change. We'll share that. See tomorrow we'll go check that brother. That brother how they help to weigh the tea.
So Lo, where you go since? I don't shout your name when I come pad, I not see you. I be the find you make you help me grant tomatoes. Where you go?
Mommy, I be come out with my friend. We go do one work. Mommy, see money what I make today.
Where you for see money?
Mommy, now one brother one brother he just give us small work we just clear one small grass. We can't see pack am. As we kind of finish, now I can give us this money. Now my own be this. Mommy, you go help me keep am. You
No
go add and
problem.
join those ones wey I don't dey give you.
That will not be issue. I go keep am for you, yeah?
On Christmas Day, I go use am take buy something.
No wahala. Solo. You don't chop?
No, I never.
Oya, run go kitchen. I don arrange better food for you. Make you chop. Solo.
Good afternoon, ma.
Eduardo, how you dey now?
Fine, ma.
How your mommy?
Fine, ma. Apara.
Wait o, you no dey work for us. In the morning you go find solo come, in the afternoon you go find solo come, in the evening you go find solo come. Una go waka, una go pluck man go do this one waka for the whole town. You no dey help your mommy.
My mommy say if I don't wash plate finish for us, I fit go anywhere I want go.
You don wash the plate finish now. Wetin your mommy come dey do?
She dey cook food.
Oya go help her cook, yeah? If you cook finish, you go come in the evening. You know say we dey work now, yeah? No worry, in the evening you go come.
Okay, I'll come in the evening.
You go don do finish. Though?
I'll come watch cartoon.
Cartoon go dey, no worry. I go put cartoon for you.
Not be say I'll come now. You say solo no dey also.
You go dey, no worry. Though, let me greet your mommy, yeah? Every day una go waka from this place. Una go your, you know they no go ever dey house. You know they go anywhere today. Come on, they wash that clothes for me.
That's ma.
Elizabeth, how you doing now?
I'm fine, no.
Yeah, your mommy.
My mommy, she's fine.
She don come for travel.
Yeah, she don't come back.
Yeah.
Mama, I'm looking for Solo.
You dey wetin happen?
Mommy say ma give am something.
Okay. Solo. They dey find you.
Solo. Mommy said I should give it to you. That I used to go message for her very well. And you know the chop for person house. Say, make you take. Make you hold am.
Tell her thank you. See, you say thank you. Let me greet your mommy. Tell her thank you, yeah? No mind Solo. I don't tell her make you dey chop for una house. Your mommy and me na like this we be. For primary school, second, na like this we be. Let me greet her, yeah? Tell her thank you. See better pikin. See as pikin clean. You go dirty. You go use sand bath. But you do well. No chop for person house o. I no know anybody. As you see me so na like this I dey. Come. The day wey I go hear say you chop for person house, I go cut your ear, I go roast am, I go give you chop. You hear me?
Mommy, take. Help me keep am.
No problem. Your money don plenty o. That one no be problem. I go give you, yeah? And as you do so, you do well. No chop for person house o. All the people so some na witch. If they give you, tell them say thank you. No chop o. Na better pikin you be. Today I go cook. Na 2 meat you go chop sef. Yeah? Solo. Oya come help me dry this other clothes. My pikin.
Na 5-5 o. 5-5 Fine, when I'll chop your Christmas food. Aye! Oh.
I tell you I go win you. See, if I win, I will chop all your Christmas meat.
If me win you, I'll eat eat all your rice, eat all your food join.
You know if you win me, you see am now. See. See. Emeka no go dey follow us again o. Emeka no follow us again.
No.
If we don't get all our these things, if I don't buy my knockout, buy everything, we no give Emeka. No. Emeka, even Sandra herself no go dey follow us again.
Sandra too dey do am a bomb.
You know say that Sandra, you know say we catch her in and dey make her for inside bedroom for backyard.
They do papa and mama.
Hey, do papa and mama play that day. We wan go tell mama he dey beg us. We for talk o.
See my money don dey plenty o. Money don dey plenty.
How much you don save?
I no too know again, but I know say e don plenty. You how much you don save?
I don give my mama 300. E don cover.
E don cover.
I don give my mama 300 wey e don save for me. 300. You know say Emeka so im mama confess witch. They no tell you, and you go chop fish for their house.
When I don chop the fish, I rinse my mouth.
E cover again o. Mommy, today na washing night.
I know. Tomorrow na Christmas Eve.
You wan go buy knockout for market today. So all the money wey I give you, wey you don dey save for me since, I wan collect am now so that I go go buy knockout. Then I go go buy drink wey me and Eduardo go drink as we dey comot this evening.
Which money be that one?
All the money wey I dey save give you, wey I give me save for me na.
Oh, okay, you mean all this money wey you dey give me dey save, make I give you. So if I give you now, you go collect am. All the food wey you dey chop for this house, from when you take small, you know when you dey suck breast, you know I take dey buy food for you chop. When you grow reach like this, I tell you make you give me 5 naira. Because say you save how much for my hand, you dey tell me say make I give you. If you no comot for my phone, if I land you slap. Because of how much wey you give me make I owe for you, now you wan kill me push today. No money, I no don get money wey I wan give. If you no enter house go dey wash those plates now, then give me the money.
Mommy, you give me that money today o. You give me that money today o. Eduardo don buy o. Eduardo don buy o. I no agree. You no comot here. You no comot here today.
If you no wan make I use backhand stand you enter that kitchen now, don carry yourself go wash that plate.
I no agree.
I dey go mama Victor house make I see say anything comot for this juice.
I no agree.
Make I give am.